Welcome to aryanz.co.in 3 minutes tutorial. In today's 3 minutes tutorial, we are going to see how to write a bash script. In this script, we are just going to print hello world. So pretty much whenever you start learning any new language or a program or a script, it's always to write just hello world program which just prints an hello message. So that way you are making comfortable with the environment and you are sure that your script is running. Quickly, I'll open the timer, starting it, opening a terminal. I'm creating a new file. So creating a new file, hello underscore world dot sh. So shell script will end with the dot sh as the file extension. I'm using a gedit to open the file. So pretty much this file, we are going to write a program to print hello world as a message. So I'm using bin slash bash. We'll discuss more about these bin slash bash, what it is. Echo hello world. So right now I'll save this file, closing it. Yep. Now let us quickly run that. In order to run the command or the shell script, you just need to do dot slash and the file name. If you see here, I'm getting an error saying that permission denied. The reason being, if you see here, this file has only read write permissions and read permissions for the user, but there is no execute permission. So we need to change the execute permission just by running this command chmod is the command, and plus x is nothing but we are adding the execute permission to this file. Now if I list the file, you would have noticed that right now every user have the execute permission assigned. Now we are good to run the program, so let me quickly run. Voila, so this is our output. So we just printed hello world. Our script is running good. And I was mentioning about this bin slash bash, right? So what happens is like we have different shell environment. It's not just that we have to use slash bash. We can use sh, or if you are planning to write a perl, you can use perl. So it's pretty much like based on what is your environment or what is the shell environment you want to use. So in your OS, just go to bin directory and list the files which is ending with sh. I'm just roughly taking it as ending with sh. If you see sh, rbash, rsh, and bash, so pretty much these are the environments where we tend to write the scripts. So most used or most frequently used environment is the bash, and that is why I have used the bash. Hope you like this video. And I have provided a link to the description on description for the file creation and how to create a file and such that, so you can watch that and learn. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up in another 3 minutes tutorial. Bye, take care.